Hello and welcome to this fourth tutorial video on SASHIMI segmentation. In this tutorial video I'm going to show how to save objects, how to load objects, and how to export the segmentation as a NIfTI mask. So I'm continuing where I finished after tutorial video 3, where we had drawn a few objects and tracked them through a few slices. Now let's say you have to leave and you want to continue where you left off later on. You can save the current object, go to File, Save Objects, or Save Objects As. A pop-up menu will appear, which you actually cannot see in this tutorial video, but this is the standard Windows screen for selecting where to save a file. Giving it the name example, and we'll save the object as example.mat, which you can see here in the bottom right in the status bar. So now let's say we're going to open up this example again. I'm selecting the file example.t1. By default, it will always show the middle slice. And as you can see at the moment, it has not loaded any of the objects because they are saved in a separate file in the object file. So once you've loaded the image, go to File, Load Object, so press Ctrl L on the keyboard. Select the object file that you just saved, so I'm selecting example.mat now. Status bar says loading example.mat, and now you see it has loaded both of the objects. Okay, so that is how to save and load objects. Now let's say you want to export the voxels that are inside these objects, or the labels, as a NIfTI mask. So you can use them for further processing in other programs. Simply go to File, Export to NIfTI Segmentation. Again, a pop-up menu will appear. By default, it will give the file name mask.nii, but you can change that to whatever you want. We'll call it example.nii. And you press the Save button. So now it has exported the label field as a NIfTI file, which you can open in other programs, for example, ITK Snap or 3D Slicing. Okay, that is the end of this tutorial video. You've learned how to load and save objects and how to export the label fields as masks.